Before going to the video, if you are new to my channel, subscribe please and press bell icon. What is the difference between Excel formula and function in Excel? We all use Microsoft Excel for our day-to-day work. We use some average VLOOKUP functions as well. But actually, have you ever thought that what is the difference between formula and function? Formula is an expression that operates on values in a cell. Functions are something called predefined formulas in Excel. In order to get better understand of this difference, let's look out this Excel explanation. If you learned something, please share for others.